Welcome to BBB News Channel Hive. Have you ever stopped to think about pollinators? Do you know what a pollinator is? Pollinators are an important part of our world. We thought you should know more about them.
We have Josie and Gavin here today to discuss the different kinds of pollinators. Glad to have you here today. Josie, can you tell us exactly what pollinators are?
Pollinators are bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds.
Gavin, what other kinds of pollinators are there?
Bats,
Ladybugs and lizards.
So can you explain how pollination works?
A bee lands on a flower. It flies to another flower. The pollen falls off, which that creates a seed that is a flower or fruits.
Thank you for joining. Now over to Eden.
Thank you, Owen. As you can see, pollination is very important all around our school. People were asked, do we even need pollinators? We sent our pollinator reporters, Florence and Anna, to find out.
Yes, we found out that many people don't understand the real purpose of pollinators. We asked people in our school about pollinators, and here's what we found.
Do we need pollinators such as bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and bats?
Yes.
Do you know why?
So they can spread and we can grow more flowers.
Do you think we need pollinators such as bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and bats?
I do. I think they play a really important role, and without them we wouldn't have things like honey.
Do we need pollinators such as bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and bats? Do you know why?
No, why would we need pollinators? Bees bother me. I don't like them.
Do you think we need pollinators such as bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and bats?
That's a great
Do
question.
you think we need pollinators such as bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and bats? Do you know why? Do you think we need pollinators such as bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and bats?
Yes.
Do you know why? No. As you can see, many people in our school didn't realize how much we need pollinators.
So today you brought along some of the food that pollinators help grow. Can you tell us more about it?
Yes, I can. These foods pollinators help grow. And these foods on the table that I have, they're apples, oranges, onions, and peaches, blueberries, and coffee. And if we didn't have pollinators, or if they all died, we wouldn't have these or lots of other foods. Anna, we know that bees are great pollinators and give us honey. What do bees need to make honey? Yes, bees make honey and need flowers to collect nectar and pollen.
Thank you for helping us understand how important pollinators are. Now over to you, Delilah.
Welcome back to BBB News Channel Hive. We have breaking news in the BBB newsroom. That's right, pollinators are in danger. And our reporters, Robert and Mackenzie, are on location investigating the reasons why pollinators are being threatened.
Yes, we found a team of investigators at Fairbrook who are discovering what is harming bees and other pollinators. We asked them to help us discover the dangers to pollinators.
So, Macy, what is harming pollinators?
Harming pollinators is pesticides. When pesticides get on bees, it poisons the bees and might cause them to die. Also, it causes the bees to be confused.
Lucas, what is harming pollinators?
What is harming pollinators is colony collapse disorder. Colony collapse disorder is when people and bulldozers run over trees that might have hives, or they might even have chrysalises that have caterpillars forming into butterflies. So that's all that you need to know about colony collapse disorder.
So you see all of these things that are dangerous to pollinators.
Thank you, Robert. Now we know how we can help save pollinators.
Now, live with us in the BBB newsroom is Megan with the results of investigation. Megan, your team found out how chemicals can harm plants, right?
Yes, we need this experiment to show how different liquids can help or hurt other plants. Water is making the plants so orange juice is killing the plant. Lysol is killing the plant, and Coke's also killing the plant.
So we should all be careful about what we spray on our plants and grass at home. Over to Jameson. Now on BBB News Channel Hive, we have learned that we must have pollinators if we want to have food. But how can we help the pollinators?
That's right. Our team discovers what pollinators need to live and thrive, and are here to share with you some ideas that you can use at home to help save the pollinators.
So what's the first thing we can do to help save the pollinators?
With some flowers in Ohio: butterfly bush, asteroids, butterfly weeds, and sunflowers.
Thank you. Now, Paisley, you've brought along a project that people can make at home, provide shelters for the bees.
That's right. I'm going to show you how to make a bee house hang in your backyard. So first you get a piece of wood, and then you drill holes into the piece of wood. And you drill holes into the piece of wood just like this one, and then you can put it together and paint it, and then put it in your backyard. And finally, Ben and I are going to show you how to make sure bees and butterflies have water. Yes, you get a plate and some marbles. Pour the marbles in, and you put water in the bowl. And I am going to show you how to make this one. It's pretty easy. So you get a pan, doesn't have to be this big, and some rocks. And you put the rocks inside the pan. You put water in it, and you put it outside.
Thank you. And we thank all of you for joining us on BB News Channel Hive today.
We hope that you have all learned something new about pollinators and can help save the pollinators.